Hi, I'm Damien Goodall from Melbourne Zoo's Reptile House, and I've got some exciting news for you. I'd like to present to you our baby Philippines crocodile. So our female laid 15 eggs on early December, and so the incubation period is roughly about 100 days. We split the eggs into two separate incubators and incubated one lot at 33 degrees and the other lot at around 30 degrees so that we could get different sex ratios, so we can get half of them as male and half of them as female. Considering the Philippines crocodile has only been bred in captivity a few times, it's important that we collect as much data as possible. So once they hatch out of the egg, we take all the measurements and weights of the crocodiles and to ensure that they're in good health. Eventually, when they get a little bit older and we know that they're all feeding well, we'll be sending them off to other zoos as part of the captive breeding program for this endangered species.